Here we have the 8th round hooked. This is followed by round 9. In the 9th round, we hook 6 single crochets first, and then in the middle here are 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. Repeat this 6 times. Hook 6 more single crochets. The hook is 30 needles, so let's hook it up. That is decrease in the middle of each stitch, so the left and the right sides are not decreased. Okay, we're going to crochet 6 stitches. Let's crochet the middle part. 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. Hook 2 single crochets first. Here we take a look at the crochet technique for a decrease. This one stitch, we are made up of 2 threads like this. This thread close to the thumb, we call it the front post half crochet. The thread near the middle finger, we call it the back post half crochet. Let's start with the front post half crochet of these 2 adjacent stitches. Then we're going to bind it off. Let's take a look. Pick the front post half crochet of the first stitch first, then pick the front post half crochet of the next stitch. Hook the thread over. Wrap the 2 loops together, and that's it. We're going to decrease 2 stitches into 1. Let's hook the next set. Hook 2 single crochets first, and then we're going to hook a decrease. The decrease is represented by the letters D, E, C. Let's take a look. Start by picking the front post half of a stitch, then pick the back post half of the stitch and hook it. Yarn around the hook, put the 2 loops together. This is the second set. We have 4 more sets to follow. Let's hook them up. Hook a decrease and there are also 2 sets. In the end, there are 6 stitches left, so we're going to hook it up. Hook a single crochet inside each stitch. The hook was on the 9th round. Let's now hook the 10th round. The crochet method of the 10th round is the same. First crochet 6 single crochets. The middle hook is a decrease and a single crochet. Repeat it 6 times, then hook 6 more single crochet. The 10th round is 24 stitches. Let's hook it up. There are 6 single crochets that are now hooked. Next is a decrease and a single crochet. Hook a decrease first. A single crochet. Repeat the hook here 6 times in the middle. There are 6 stitches left. We hook 6 single crochets. We have now hooked up the 10th round. Let's move on to the 11th round. The crochet pattern of the 11th round is 6 single crochets. The middle hook is 6 decreases. Then hook 6 more single crochets. After 11 rounds, there are now 18 stitches. Okay, the 6 single crochet hooks are now done. This is followed by 6 sets of decreases. There are 6 stitches left. We hook the single crochet. Here we make the loop a little bigger. And we are going to now install the safety eyes. The eyes are fitted between rows 6 and 7. There are 16 stitches in between. Let's look for this round, which is the first row down to the count. Good, between 6 and 7. In this row, find a location and find the middle position. There are 16 stitches in between. Let's count to the left 8 stitches. Counting 8 stitches to the right is 16. The first eye is here, and the second eye is here. Pay attention to ensuring that you have chosen a symmetrical position on both the left and the right. Then fasten the safety clasp. We have now put the eyes onto it.